Want to enhance your website's site security by changing the default login URL? Then you're in the right place. Welcome back to the Tracking Success channel, and in this video I will show you how to change your WordPress login URL. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress account. Changing your WordPress login URL is a simple yet effective way to boost your website security because the default login URL is well known, making it easier for unauthorized users to attempt to access your website, like bots and stuff when they try to attempt going to your website, changing the password. So by changing it, you add an extra layer of protection to your website. We need to install a plugin for this. Just go to add new plugin and type in plugin. It is a lightweight plugin, so it won't affect your website performance. So this is the one. Just click on activate. Then you will need to go to your general settings, and here you will see the plugin. And here you can change your login URL. This now stands on equal inloggen, but I will change it to test YouTube. And then I will just click on save changes. And then when we go to the link, and here you will have your login screen. And the old one is gone. So this was the video on how to change your WordPress login URL. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up below the video. This way I can check what kind of videos you all like and what should I create in the future. If you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. This was Tracking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.